Hey, what is up everybody? I am Jason and you watch my channel Micro Investor. So in this video we're going to be talking about NIO stock. Now NIO is doing some amazing things. As you know, there's just something always going on with NIO. This stock has just been going to new heights and everybody seems to be talking about it now. But if you've been someone that's been following my channel for years, you know I've been invested into NIO since day one. I talked about like 300 plus videos ago. But anyways, NIO is just outperforming what a lot of people are expecting it to do. And for me, I really saw this happening. That's why I stayed bullish on NIO when it was still below $2 a share and was buying into it. And that's why I'm still buying into it at these much higher prices. So there's a couple of different things to talk about in this video. One of them being that NIO has now a 100 kilowatt hour battery, so that helps them be more competitive with Tesla. But we're going to cover a couple of different other things, and plus, where do I see NIO stock going from here? Because it is getting wild. Anyway, so we're going to cover all that and more in this video. So if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor and please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button right there, because it does help me out with the YouTube algorithm and it helps spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. And also, if you have not already, please subscribe. Let's get to it. So let's look at NIO stock over the last month. As you can see, back in the middle of October, it was still trading around $20 a share. And since then, just in less than a month, it has doubled in its price. And at this time right here, this is back when the JP Morgan analyst upgraded NIO stock and said they see the price target at $40 a share, which we now totally got to. Since then, it's just been good news after good news. And a lot of analysts, a lot of people are talking about this stock now, a lot of stuff going on. But just look at this 52-week range here, trading between $1.66 and $43.30. And something funny about NIO stock and Tesla right now is that Elon Musk is really catching on to what's going on with NIO, and he actually tweeted about it on November 5th, saying 420 is 10 times better than 42, and this is when NIO stock hit $42 a share. Now, a really big thing that's helping drive this momentum in NIO stock is that they did have a record delivery month in October 2020 where they delivered 5,055 vehicles in October, and that was an increase by 100% year over year. And for the total year, they've actually delivered 31,430 vehicles for 2020. But the big thing was these EC6s, because October was the first full month for the EC6s that they had deliveries, and they delivered 883 of the EC6s, and that's their more sportier SUV, very similar to Tesla's Model Y. Now to some of the new big news that just came out on November 6th. NIO announced they launched the 100 kilowatt hour battery with flexible battery upgrade plans. Now, to learn a little bit about this is NIO has always been committed to the R&D and innovation in the battery technology. With over 300 patents filed and gained, the 100 kilowatt hour battery features the CTP cell 2-pack technology, realizing 37% higher energy density, powered by 100 kilowatt hour battery. The NEDC range of the NIO models can now reach up to 615 kilometers. The excellent performance of the 100 kilowatt hour battery is underpinned by 4 technology improvements: better thermal runaway management thanks to the thermal propagation prevention design, the highly integrated design that streamlines the manufacturing by 40%. So that's really good. They're going to be able to manufacture these much faster, and improve space utilization by 19.8%. The all-climate thermal management that improves the performance and extends the lifetime of the battery. That's also really good that they are able to extend the battery here. And the in-cloud bidirectional communication, BMS, that supports smart parameters adjustments based on work conditions to improve battery performance under all conditions. So that's really good. Now, as you guys know, that NIO's batteries are able to be swapped out of their vehicles, and they also give their customers the option to be able to buy their vehicles with or without a battery. And of course, choosing to buy one without a battery makes the cost of the vehicle much cheaper, and the customer can then choose to do their subscription service, their battery as a service, and pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee to be able to have a battery in that vehicle. And this is great for them for resale value, because the main wear and tear on these electric vehicles is the battery itself. So it really does let them have much resale value when they do want to sell their vehicle. And the biggest thing for this 100 kilowatt hour battery is that NIO can price it into their battery as a service, so they can charge more for it. But at the same time, it is a new item that they have available to sell. So customers that have purchased their batteries and have a 70 kilowatt hour battery, and they want to upgrade that battery to a 100 kilowatt hour battery to get even more range, they can then buy this battery and put that in their vehicle. So there is ways for them to scale even more money off of having this battery, unlike something that Tesla can do where the batteries are fitted into the vehicles. So this is something that can generate them more money as time goes on. And NIO has just started accepting pre-orders of this battery on November 7th. And next we need to talk about that analysts are getting more and more bullish on NIO stock and electric vehicle stocks in general. So a Citi analyst upgraded NIO's price target to $46.40 per share, a 40% increase from its previous target of $33.20. And I will not be surprised if it does not take that long to even hit that price target that Citi gave it, just because it's just going up so fast right now. Now let's look at the performance of some of these other Chinese electric vehicle companies of how they're doing. So Li Auto, ticker symbol LI, over this last month, their stock has also gone up quite a bit, and they've even had a recall recently, and it hasn't really done much to take any sort of effect on their stock at this moment, from at least what I can see. And Li Auto, I mean, they went public not that long ago, but their 52-week range is between $14.31 to $28.49. So they're definitely moving right now. Now let's look at Xpeng right now. Now Xpeng's doing the same thing. Their stock is going up really high right now. Over the last month, they've just recently shot up quite a bit. So NIO is helping move Li Auto and Xpeng up quite a bit now. Now Xpeng, their 52-week range is between $17.11 and $39.50. So as you can see, all these Chinese EV stocks are really moving up right now. So it is definitely an interesting time to be investing into the electric vehicle space right now, and especially the Chinese electric vehicle space, as there is so much momentum going on. Chinese is in this much faster transition into electric vehicles than we are here in the United States. So there's a lot going on, and it is definitely cool to see. Now, NIO is a stock that I still see going 10x within the next 5 years. If not, I could see it actually doing that even sooner than that, but that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only, but I can definitely see that happening. So anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts on NIO. What are your guys' predictions on the stock? I'd like to know. So as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.